Friends, we know that when animals go extinct, they usually remain as fossils only. But some extinct animals have given us complete proof of their existence in today's world. Thousands of years ago, the never-ending cold of Siberia froze these creatures inside time's ice capsule. But now, with global warming increasing, the permafrost, the permanently frozen ground of Siberia, is melting. And along with it, these majestic Ice Age animals are being discovered day by day in perfectly preserved condition. Watch this video till the end, because today we'll tell you about some of the most astonishing secrets of science and history. 7. Cave lion. Unlike the modern African lion, which has dense facial hair, the cave lion had very little hair, giving it a fierce and dangerous look. Some experts believe it was more closely related to tigers than to modern lions. Most of their fossils have been found in caves, which means they might have lived inside caves to survive the cold. But around 10,000 years ago, when the Ice Age ended, they also became extinct. Excessive hunting by early humans was another major cause of their decline. However, in 2017, a frozen cub of the cave lion was discovered in Siberia, and scientists named it Sparta. It's believed to be one of the few Ice Age animals whose body and fur are preserved in perfect condition. 6. Woolly mammoth. Most people think that the woolly mammoths went extinct about 10,000 years ago when the Ice Age ended, but that's only partly true. Their existence continued in Siberia until about 3,500 to 4,000 years ago. That means the mammoths survived for almost 800 years after the construction of Egypt's Giza pyramids. After the Ice Age, their population declined drastically, but humans increased their hunting even more. They're among the few extinct animals that were hunted the most by humans. In 2007, a frozen baby mammoth named Luba was found, and in 2010, another one named Yuka was discovered. These findings taught scientists a lot about these majestic creatures. Yuka is considered the most well-preserved mammoth ever found. Now, scientists are trying to clone these frozen mammoths using their DNA by introducing mammoth genes into Asian elephants. The day isn't far when we might see woolly mammoths walking again through the cold plains of Siberia. 4. Steppe bison. The steppe bison was an extinct species of bison that lived across the vast mammoth steppe during the Ice Age. Their bodies had much thicker hair than modern bisons, and they were significantly larger in size. After the Ice Age, climate change and human hunting caused them to go extinct. But in 2011, in one of Siberia's coldest regions, a 9,000-year-old frozen body of a steppe bison was discovered. It had its brain, heart, and even digestive system intact. Scientists say that cloning it might be relatively easy. 3. Lena Horse. The Lena horse was an extinct species of horse that looked similar to the modern wild horse, but because it lived in extremely cold climates, it had much thicker body hair. In 2018, a 40,000-year-old Lena horse foal was found in Siberia, making it the first prehistoric horse ever discovered in such a perfectly preserved condition. When it died, its age was only 2 to 3 months. It was one of the few Ice Age animals whose body still contained liquid blood. The oldest known blood in history belongs to this Lena horse baby. Scientists believe that cloning it would also be quite easy. 2. Cave bear. These bears were herbivorous, plant-eating, just like modern panda bears. During the Ice Age, they used to hibernate inside caves to survive the freezing temperatures. But because of the extreme cold, many cave bears couldn't survive hibernation. They were hunted by cave lions, and they also fought with humans for cave shelter. That's why they became extinct about 24,000 years ago. Even today, millions of their fossils continue to be discovered inside ancient caves. In 2020, an exceptionally well-preserved cave bear was found in Siberia, with its nose in excellent condition.
Its body is believed to be between 22,000 and 40,000 years old. 1. The Unknown Canid. In 2018, in Siberia, a frozen body of an unknown canid puppy was found. Canids are animals that look like dogs, such as dogs, wolves, and foxes. But the preserved body that was discovered looked like a mix between a dog and a wolf. Scientists named it Dogor. There's still a lot of confusion regarding its identification. Some believe it represents the stage when humans first started domesticating wolves into dogs. Others believe it's the body of a prehistoric wolf. Either way, it's around 18,000 years old and remains in perfect condition. Well, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos.